Managing regulatory compliance encompasses ever-increasing risks, operational and cost challenges for financial institutions. Blackswan Technology's flagship cognitive system, Element, represents a paradigm shift for data-intensive enterprises. By applying counter-terror methods developed within the intelligence community, the system seamlessly embeds horizontally all aspects of big data, natural language processing, artificial intelligence, machine learning and cognitive computing capabilities. Let's take a look at how Element enables the finance industry to unleash its true potential.
Historically, there was a clear view of risk for financial institutions, but this, along with the regulatory landscape, has changed. In an effort to tackle financial crime, terrorist financing and tax avoidance, authorities around the world continue to impose ever more stringent regulations. The onus is on financial institutions to ensure they comply or face hefty fines. But many experts say traditional approaches taken by banks and financial institutions are unsustainable, and a key part of the solution is smarter technology.
Regulations for financial institutions worldwide and here in London are continually changing. Blackswan Technology says it can help them become more compliant more easily and save them money.
We have solutions for risk, for AML, broad financial crime, and then market intelligence is really the flip side of it.
Blackswan says in contrast to software tools which are designed to perform one specific task, its flagship cognitive enterprise system Element is the most comprehensive system on the market. Composed of a host of multiple capabilities, Element uses artificial intelligence and a proprietary context search engine that constantly evolves, digitizes, learns and self-improves its ability to analyze and predict occurrences. Blackswan says it performs a virtually unlimited range of tasks in support of solving its partners' most challenging and demanding problems. This significantly reduces the number of false positives, enabling banks to minimise delays, provide better customer service and be more cost-efficient.
Blackswan Technology has its roots in the intelligence community. We're a big data, cognitive computing, independent software vendor. Our flagship product Element is a very comprehensive system that extracts, collects, infers data about unconnected entities and events. And we really offer a complete paradigm shift to the financial regulatory industry. And the reason we do that is because we look at the entire compliance landscape end to end. So whereas solutions today are very pinpoint, offer a very particular solution for a little problem, we have a very comprehensive solution that cuts operational costs by 50% with really minimal disruption within the first 12 months of engagement.
At the core of Element is the big science data platform, which is constantly updating and monitoring. The interactive system produces a knowledge graph identifying entities, properties, locations, relationships and their quality. It replaces multiple systems with one single piece of technology.
You guys, this is the map, the world view of the map.
While technology is key, firms need to maximise the return on their IT investment. Genpact says as a leading global professional services firm who are experts in this field, it goes beyond the role of traditional consultant. Genpact says it drives digital-led innovation and digitally enabled intelligence operations for its clients, backed by practical experience of running thousands of processes for hundreds of global Fortune 500 companies. It guides and supports its clients to avoid costly mistakes by ensuring efficient and sustainable outcomes are achieved. By working with Genpact, it says firms optimise the transformation, resulting in a sustainable, lean digital process.
We partner with Blackswan because as a new startup organisation, they are extremely agile. They've also got an extremely powerful product, which is very forward-thinking in its design. So for us, it's important when we're working with our clients to have partners who are flexible, are able to deploy their solutions quickly.
Blackswan is shifting the industry from compliance as a cost to a revenue source by reutilising data for other verticals. Genpact says this offers a valuable return on investment.
We can use the same data that's at your disposal for risk and compliance, but also for lead generation, personalization, and mergers and acquisitions. Creating revenue stream out of the same data that we're using for compliance.
As regulation continues to evolve, financial institutions will need to keep pace by having the right technology in place as the picture develops. Blackswan says it reimagines its customers' growth strategy by offering the intelligence of everything.